ProleanTech CNC turning and milling services in precision manufacturing. Accuracy and speed are the characteristics that are incredibly valuable today in the constantly changing environment of the manufacturing process. This is where CNC turning and milling services, which entails turning and milling through computer numerical control, fit perfectly, providing precision encompassing the technology aspect and high-end workmanship. Whether your business is in the automotive, aerospace, medical, or any other industries that require high-quality components, the features of CNC turning milling would be of great value and can help boost your production potential. What is CNC turning? CNC turning as a manufacturing technology entails rotating a piece of material against a cutting tool to effect cutting out of a required geometrical geometry. Due to the computer-controlled automation, the CNC turning 1000 offers high dimensional accuracy and a high degree of accuracy. This process is most useful when there is a creation of cylindrical parts in industries such as shafts, spindles, and bearings. Another significant benefit inherent with CNC turning 1000 is that it can easily achieve high accuracy and finer detail in the actual design, as well as repeatedly meeting tight tolerance levels. The turning process 320 is computer controlled, which means that even the most minute of movements is influenced by software, which takes instructions from the digital designs and produces a part that is as perfect as possible. Such a level of measurement is critical in areas where an offshoot in any method applied can lead to failure or danger. In addition, CNC turning 1000 has found significant improvements in productivity and cost savings. This means that by automating the turning process 320, manufacturers are in a position to contain mistakes that human beings can make, hence less use of material and constant output. This not only increases efficiency but shall also prove to be cost-effective, thus making the use of CNC turning to be effective for any business. What is CNC milling? A process that augments the benefits accrued from CNC turning is CNC milling. It is a form of material removal in which cutting tools in the form of a multi-point rotary cutter are used to cut away the material from a workpiece. CNC milling 170 is famous for its high flexibility in creating shapes and different details, as well as the surface roughness. According to the strengths list of CNC milling mentioned earlier, the versatility of working material in the process is considered one of the greatest advantages of the technology, as 170 proves. Ranging from aluminum and steel to titanium and alloys such as nitinol and MP35N, CNC milling machines can cut and model such material with high precision to fit the most challenging requirements. For companies that work on highly technical products with intricate designs, particularly in aerospace or medical equipment production where components possess complicated cross-sectional shapes, CNC milling is vital. 170. As a result, the use of CNC millings 170 to make parts with multiple pockets, cavities, and contours allows the creation of parts with maximum geometrical features, together with tiny tolerances, thus optimizing the high performance and reliability. The integration of turning and milling. CNC turning and CNC milling or turning milling 1000 though are two separate processes. These two work hand in hand to produce complex parts and even sub-assemblies. Since many AC applications demand a mixture of turning and milling tasks, using the benefits of both processes for task completion. For instance, a component may be turned using CNC turning to bring into shape a cylindrical form and then milled using CNC milling to have additional features, slots, or any rough surfaces required. This combination of turning and milling, turning milling 1000, makes it possible to create highly diverse parts with great accuracy in one operation, therefore reducing the need to change tools and perform additional operations. How to select a good CNC service provider? Nonetheless, there are several advantages of CNC turning and milling, and the process of choosing the provider that will guarantee the results is equally crucial. In the case of choosing the partners, it will be useful to look at the known experience of partners, technical competencies, quality control, and improvement. When choosing the CNC service providers, consider the ability of those providing the services to purchase quality and efficient equipment, in addition to having skilled and experienced machinists and programmers in the industry and an impressive portfolio of fine work. Also, focus on companies that value transparency and are willing to establish effective communication with the clients to accomplish their needs and expectations 100%. Conclusion. Among precision manufacturing processes, CNC turning services are well received as they provide the potential of advanced technology and craftsmen. Depending on your needs for designs with elaborate shapes, smaller or larger numbers of parts, or iterative high production, these processes can greatly improve your production line. As a result, Manufacturers can be able to determine the level of stability they get from the CNC turning, which is precise, consistent, and in conjunction with the flexibility and full geometric possibilities of the CNC milling process, they have ensured quality production of their products.